Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm walking you through simple steps to boost your email deliverability in Mailchimp and make sure your campaigns actually reach your audience. Let's get started. First, always clean your emails list regularly. Remove inactive subscribers or addresses that bounces. Mailchimp has built-in tools to help you manage this. Just head to your audience dashboard and use the segmentation features. Next, authenticate your domain in a Mailchimp. This proves to email providers that you're a legitimate sender. Go to your account settings, follow the domain verification setups, and add the required DNS records. This drastically improves inbox placement. Also avoid spam triggers like excessive capitalization, too many emojis, or misleading subject lines. Mailchimp's built-in spam checker will alert you to these issues before you hit send. Engage your subscribers by setting up a welcome series for new contracts and segmenting your audience based on their interest. The more your subscribers interact with your mails, the less likely you will be marked as a spam. And finally, monitor your campaign's report in a Mailchimp. Keep an eye on these rates, click-through rates, and bounces. If you notice dips, adjust your strategy accordingly. And that's it. You're now on your way to better mail deliverability. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Let me know in the comments what strategies you use. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.